Welcome to Hard Reset. In front of me Sony Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable red eye reduction. To find this feature, you need to open Main menu, first block, 10 page, and the last option on the 10 page. So here we have red eye reduction feature, and we can enable it or disable. So this feature helps to reduce the red eye effect, and this effect can occur when using flash photography. So when it's on, the camera will emit a pre-flash before the main flash to make the subject's pupils contract. So it's reducing the red eye effect. But when it's off, so the camera will not use the pre-flash and red eye reduction is disabled. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.